happy fam, this is me Rajrupa and welcome to my channel Queen of Happiness. Today we are going to learn how to get ready for a wedding party look. And yes, when I'm talking about wedding party, I'm talking about the big fat Indian weddings that we have. It is the wedding season and all of us do become perplexed as to what shall I dress up, because even though I'm not the bride, but of course I want to look bright, isn't it? So today let's see in this video how to create a glamorous wedding party look. Next thing that you need to apply is concealer. So for this particular look I'm using the Girl Pro concealer, though I was thinking about using the L'Oreal one, but I love this concealer, so I'm going to use this. Very important of your makeup, so make sure that no matter what products you apply on your face, you blend it very well, because of course you need to put a little bit of extra product underneath your eyes so that if there is any fallout during the process of doing your eye makeup, then you can just brush it off and you will not have any problem with your makeup. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation. So this is such a good foundation that I have trouble in removing it with a makeup remover as well. It's like so I just want to stay. And you can wet the sponge, but I usually do not wet my sponge because I don't require. But yes, wetting the sponge is very nice because it really helps in like proper blending of the foundation or any product in that case. This is a bit of a goldenish shade because it's very wedding kind of a look, and because this shade is quite shimmery and it will help in highlighting the eyes. It's a lovely color. I'm so excited. Actually, it's the first time I'm using it, and I'm sure it's going to turn out well. So this is called packing, actually, when you just take the color and you just go pat. This is called packing the color over your eyelids. So yeah, this is basically nothing but filling in any empty spots. So for applying the basic color, I'm using my Urban Decay brush, and it's a very thick brush, so it actually helps in applying your product over a larger area. Lower lining of my eyes. So for that I'm going to use a thinner brush. So this is my MAC brush and it's very thin, as you can see. Just take a thinner brush and then just take the eyeshadow and go along the lines of your eyes. Now for this I do need to protect this area because otherwise it's going to be a direct fallout, and I don't want it to happen. Begin with this color because this is really little understated, so it'll act as a good base. So just find your crease and just stick your brush into this eyebrow bone, and you're going to find a hollow and just draw, you know, along this line, along the eyebrow bone. So that's how you actually define your eyes. The best part about the base which we have done is that with that particular base, if you apply any other color over it, it's still going to look great, because that's a very neutral base. And like for example, if you have a purplish shade in your dress, and you can apply purple instead of the reddish pink which I'm using here, because it's just going to blend in with the base of it and it's going to look good. So start from the center of your eyes and just blend out, so that any harsh lines or any color which is not looking like blended in can just subside. So I'm taking in my Wet n Wild highlighting powder to just highlight the brow bones, because that really gives a very healthy glow to your skin and it adds a glamour, a tinge of glamour. Now guys, I'm really sorry for the light. I don't know, my light is just malfunctioning today. I'm really sorry, but I hope it's just visible. So just to blend all these in, I will tell that you can use the same color, the golden shade which I had used from here, that is this shade, and then you can just pack in and then blend out so that all the colors and any harsh lines just blend in. So I'm done with lining my eyes, as you can see. So the next thing that I'm going to do is, since I told you that my lehenga has a bit of a bluish shade and it also has pinkish shade, so I'm going to take this, I'm very enticed basically to take this reddish color. Now one thing which is very good about Huda Beauty palette, like this is the first time I'm using this palette for this video. Now one thing which is very good about Huda Beauty palettes is that you know, like they are extremely pigmented and you just need a little bit of the product. It's a MAC lip pencil which is in the shade Vino, and I've used MAC lip color which is more, you know, like a purplish shade, like purplish pink shade. And next I'm going to do my eyebrows. I said in my videos, that is, please use a brownish shade, like I'm using these three colors. Like this is a little bit of a blackish shade, so just mix very less of the blackish shade and use a brownish shade, because you don't want your eyebrows to look out of place and just too dark. And I'm just using a spoolie brush from MAC and I'm just brushing it in. I'm going to apply the blush and I'm going to use a bit of a pinkish shade. So I've got a pinkish shade in my Huda Beauty palette, so I think I'm going to use this pink. But be very careful when you're using it, because these dark shades quite often tend to become just too much, so just be very careful. So I'm just taking it a little bit and so we are almost done with this look, but the kajal that you have applied on the lower lining of your eye, I would say just smoke it out, because that helps in just bringing out your eyes. And yes, rub it off from the, you know, lower lining of your eyes, like from the inner whitish part, because it will help in making your eyes appear bigger. And smoking out the kajal also will really make your eyes stand out. and you can just pull a line through and then just, you know, blend it in this way. It really helps in giving a very nice smoked out look. So yeah, we are done. And to complete the look, you can, of course, you can apply a bindi. Like I'm going to wear this stone bindi with this because it's a very Indian look, and I think a bindi just will complete the look. And if you do not like applying bindis, it's just completely okay. There's no harm to it. So you don't need a cream contour. You can just, like always, you know, contour with the help of your powder blush or cream blush. You know, these just work very well. So contouring means, you know, darkening. So these are the spots of your face which you need to darken basically. And I'm going to apply the highlighter, and for this look I'm going to use the Master Strobing Stick from Maybelline. I just love this because this looks so natural and yet it just adds a glow. So I'm going to apply it on my nose, my cheeks, and just on the Cupid's bow and on the forehead. You will be tempted to use a sponge or anything else, but don't use it because your makeup is done. You don't want to take it off, so just use a brush and just go along. You can use a normal, you know, brush which has got no color, nothing on it, and you can just go along the lines, and that itself is going to blend it in without spoiling the rest of your makeup. So yeah, I'm done with the blending in, and as you can see, it has just added a very nice glow to my skin and it looks very glamorous, very nice. So I just love this. Like, this is one of my favorite products of the season, which is the Strobing Stick from Maybelline. Now I hate doing this because it's just so unnecessary and time consuming, but of course this is a very gorgeous kind of a look. So I'll show you how to apply a fake eyelashes. So you take the eyelashes. For this I'm using my Huda Beauty eyelashes, and I'm using eyelash glue, and I've already put some eyelash glue on the eyelash, and this is the lifesaver for everyone, every beginner who is just learning how to apply fake eyelashes. Please buy this. This is a tweezer specially meant for eyelashes, and I got this and it's very useful. So you just take the eyelash in the tweezer and first let the glue dry. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, because your likes and your comments means a lot to me. And do share this video with your friends, whoever wants to learn this makeup tutorial. And so till then, just be happy and create value, and long live our happiness. And I'll see you soon again on Monday with a new video.